So I'm Talia TV Bear, and today I will be telling you how to make a volcano explosion. So first you need to make this thing, like sort of like a cone, and then you put it in the grass. It's okay if it tilts a bit. So first you open the bag, take the cone there, and then put it on top of the bag. And then you got that ready. So now you get some vinegar. Make sure the bag is right where you pour the vinegar. And try to do this outside. So you pour the vinegar into the bag. Now you get some baking soda. And now, if you see foam, that's good. It means it's exploding. Put the bag down sort of like that, and you have a volcano. If it works, it means it's foaming inside of the bag. Take the bag out of the volcano sheet thing, and you will see that the baking soda and the vinegar mix, and it makes a foam inside of the bag. So whenever you pour even the tiny bit of this, it will start foaming a bit. But if you want to actually make an explosion, you got to put a lot of it in. And you'll get explosion. Thank you for watching my video. And we're posting newer and newer ones every day. Thank you. Bye.